Hello, my friends. This is Microsoft Ignite, and I am proud, nay, I'm excited to be here with Gina Jorgensen, Corporate Vice President, Worldwide Learning.
Yes.
So tell us about all things skilling. What do you tell? What do you got?
Oh my gosh, all things skilling. A couple things. One, we are trying to help all of our customers and partners understand what skills they need to have in this AI-dominated workforce. There's 3.6 billion people in the workforce, and our job is to go help every single person build the confidence they need to be great at their job.
And you literally mean all 3.6 billion?
Nothing like a lofty goal.
I know. So tell me a little bit about how we're going about doing this.
A number of ways. First, we're AI-led in the sense that we just launched something called AI Skills Navigator. It's an agentic learning space where any employee across any discipline can go get the skills that they need to do their job most effectively using AI. Now, Skills Navigator teaches people around things around security, cloud, AI. But the beautiful thing about this AI-led agentic learning space is it's got a prescriptive path for those that don't know how to get started, but then it also has a really beautiful choose your own adventure path that's led by a skills coach that will help you navigate what's the next skill you want to learn. It'll make recommendations to you, and it offers you skilling in any type of learning preference you have, whether that's short form video, whether that's text-based, all dependent on your learning preferences.
So tell us a little bit about how that is being used with even people inside of Microsoft. Because I love the idea of wanting to skill everyone, but I think we're trying it on people that are in Microsoft first. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so internally within Microsoft, we're trying always to be our first and best customer and test out things on our own folks before we actually release it into the wild. And some of the things that we're using AI for is around how do we verify human skills? How do we verify your knowledge and retention of both ephemeral knowledge, short-term knowledge, and then what we call institutional knowledge, things that we need you to learn and remember whenever there's not technology around. And so we're using AI to verify those skills. We're using AI to coach you and role play with you and rehearse with you. We're even scoring you on your proficiency levels. And so we're testing a whole bunch of ways in which AI can just help you learn. But at the bottom line for all of this is that we're really just trying to help people build their own confidence to get the skills that they need. We've learned that like 75% of business users are just afraid to even get started. And so we're trying to help them just start to build their confidence one skill at a time.
I love the idea of we're just trying to build confidence, but you're doing it in an adaptive way that adapts to how people learn. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, that's probably the most important thing. We've been very heavily tech-based for a very long time, and it was kind of built off the backs of documentation, technical documentation, which you remember, right?
Of course.
And that's wonderful. It's in-depth, it's great, but not everybody learns through visual reading and walking through. So we have things like the ability to create your own skilling playlist based on your preferences, the ability to create podcasts out of some of that longer form content, the ability to share a playlist that you've created with other people around you to say, hey, this is important to me, I think you should learn this too. And so it creates this wonderful sort of groundswell of community learning, which we know is important.
Yeah, absolutely.
I always want to learn from like, what are my peers learning? What are they seeing? And so these playlists and that ability to share it really brings in that spirit of community and just helps everybody start to build again that confidence that they need to learn the skills that they don't have yet.
So I love the idea of me being able to go there, and hopefully I'm going to ask you how, go there and somehow create a play, because I drive my kids to soccer, and sometimes I'm sitting in my car for an hour and a half. I could literally be getting skilled.
Yes.
So how would, like, let's say soccer dad Seth, what should I do to get started, pick something and get something going? Okay,
so we're gonna build the Soccer Dad Seth playlist,
Let's do it, let's do it.
All right, so if you know that, hey, I'm in the car and I'm driving and there's probably noise in the car, but you definitely shouldn't be reading while you're driving.
That's right.
You could go and download all of the podcasts on any topic that's in MS Learn today. For instance, hey, I wanna become an AI engineer or a prompt engineer, or hey, I just wanna learn AI fundamentals. Hopefully you already know those, Seth.
I might need to round it out.
Yeah. You could go download a series of podcasts and just have that be your playlist, and it's only going to talk to you in podcast form. You're not expected to watch a video, you're not expected to read while you're driving. All of that learning content is available, but just in a different format.
And then I could do a chaser where I get those skills validated.
Yes, you absolutely could do that.
That's amazing. So where should people go to get started?
The best place I would say to go is something actually we just launched this week called AI Skills Navigator. And there you can find everything from those programmatic prescriptive playlists all the way through to the skills coach that'll help you choose your own adventure.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for being with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Make sure you check out the link below to get started. Thanks so much, Gina.
Thank you.